Welcome! If you've ever downloaded images in Google Chrome and then struggled to find them, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you the easiest way to view your downloaded images right inside the Chrome app, no extra tools needed. And this method is fully updated for 2025. Let's get started. First, open the Chrome app on your device. You'll usually find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once Chrome is open, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu button. Go ahead and tap on those 3 dots. A menu will appear with several options. Scroll down until you see the word Download and tap on it. This will take you straight to Chrome's built-in Downloads Manager, where all your downloaded files are stored. Now, you'll see a list of everything you've downloaded using Chrome, but we want to focus on images. At the top of the Downloads page, you'll notice a few tabs. Tap on the one labeled Images. This filters your downloads, showing only the image files you've saved. It's a simple way to quickly find photos, screenshots, or any pictures you downloaded from websites. From here, you can tap any image to open it, share it, or even delete it if you no longer need it. If you want to move an image to your photo gallery or another app, just tap the share icon and select your preferred destination. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can easily view all your downloaded images in Google Chrome. No more hunting through folders or wondering where your files went. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for getting the most out of your Chrome browser. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.